Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about compound interest. Compound interest is the interest earned or paid on both the initial investment and previously earned interest. It is an application of exponential growth. So our equation for compound interest is what's written here, where A is the current amount, P is the principal, so it's the initial amount, R is our rate expressed as a decimal, and N is the number of times it's compounded each year, and T is time in years. So this is a special case of our exponential growth. So to determine the amount of investment, if 500 is invested in an interest rate of 4.25 compounded quarterly. So quarterly means 4 times a year. So we're going to start off with our equation. A equals P 1 plus R over N to the NT. So our P in this case is our 500. 1 plus, then we make 4.25% a decimal, so that's 0.0425. And then that's over 4, because quarterly means 4 times a year, to the 4 times 12 years. And then we do that on our calculator. And it's important that we type it in very much exactly as it's written. So it's 500 parentheses 1 plus, I'm going to use my fraction option, alpha y equals 0.0425 over 4 parentheses caret 4 times 12. And our answer is 830.4085123. So it's money, so I can round to the nearest cent. So that's 830.41. So I want you to pause, and I want you to try example 2 and come back and check. Okay, so hopefully you pause. So again, I'm going to start with my equation. So it's A equals, my P is the amount I invested, 300. 1 plus, I'm compounding semi-annually, so that's twice a year. My rate is 6.75, so that's 0.0675. 0.0675 divided by 2 to the 20 times 2 power. I do that on my calculator. So 300 parentheses 1 plus alpha y equals 0.0675. Oops, missed my 7. Over 2, close parentheses, to the 20 times 2 power. And it's 1131.728251. It's money, so I can round. So it's $1,131.73. Okay, I want you to pause and do number 3 and 4 and come back and check. So for number 3, you can see my work on my calculator. I did 700 parentheses 1 plus 0.043 divided by 12, because compounded monthly, there are 12 months in a year, to the 12 times 7 power, and that's 945.34. Second one, it's compounded annually. Well, annually means only once a year. So therefore I did 2,500 parentheses 1 plus 0.042. I wrote the over 1, but you can see on my calculator I didn't really do that because anything divided by 1 is itself, to the 15th power. And I got $4,634. So that's the end of our video for today. If you have any questions, please ask them in class.